In this video, we're going to introduce an extension to the Assessments feature in Service Manager that's available now. Where previously, you could create assessments to compute impact levels, you can now use assessments in the same way to compute urgency levels too. Having the ability to determine urgency levels through assessments provides you with a consistent method to determine urgency across your service desk. Instead of being led by someone's opinion, you can set clear criteria related to the nature of a request and automate the decision-making instead. Don't worry though, this change to how urgency is computed is optional. You can still use a drop-down list if you want to, or you can even not use urgency ratings on requests at all. So how does this work in practice? Well, this is done the same way that impact assessments are managed. Let's take a look. In the Service Manager configuration menu, under Assessments, navigate to the Assessments tab. Here, we're going to create a new urgency assessment. Then we're going to add a question with 2 available answers. These answers have weighted values that will output one of 2 of our pre-existing urgency levels, low or critical. So that's our assessment created. To demonstrate how this is used, let's look at a workflow that already has an impact assessment in place. What we're going to do now is change the entity from impact to an urgency assessment. And because we have a node that waits for the assessment in the workflow, we need to update that to urgency too. What this means is, when a new request is raised that utilizes this workflow, from the Assessment tab, the urgency assessment is available here. And even though we replaced the impact assessment in this example, the 2 assessments can be used together. Looking ahead, this is a small step in the work we are doing to provide more control over request prioritization. We'll soon be rolling out new ways of determining priority levels by using the combined outputs of assessments.